Hey everybody, welcome back to Where's Jared? It's Jared. How you guys doing today? This is a 260Bh Jayco Jayflight. This is a 2026 model. Big shout out to Kyle and Lex. Got really excited at this thing over the weekend at the Hartford Convention Center at the Hartford show. Wanted to show you guys what they got so excited about. It's one of my favorite coaches. It's a Jayco, industry leading 2+ 3 year warranty. 2 year on everything, 3 year on structure. If it's not appliance, cabinet, or furniture, it's probably covered for 3 years on this thing. So it's an awesome coach. Jayco does a lot of things similar between this and their top of the line Pinnacle, right? So you're going to hear a lot of similarities in construction quality, even though this is going to be a traditional built trailer, what most people consider to be entry level. But let's get into it. I want to show you guys the inside real quick. This is not going to be a long video because it's not a long coach. Whole thing is under 30 feet. Give you a good view of this real quick. 29 foot 5 inches, 4840 on the dry weight. So my mom's Honda Odyssey can tow it in every state park is in. Come right up into the bedroom. It's a queen cut walk around bed. One time for the boys, guys, in the bedroom. Queen cut mattress. It is a walk around, a little boot, scootin' booty, or whatever they say for the bigger guys here. I got to do a little side step. Hanging wardrobe cabinet. We love to see it. I love the open stuff. I don't know why I'm so into that. I know it's just going to fall out, whatever's up there if I start driving, but I really like that open cabinet space. You're going to have power next to everywhere you sleep, which is a pretty cool feature in my opinion. Very thoughtful. Just nobody's stealing power from each other. Gas struts lift the bed up. Good view of the plywood. You guys know I love the plywood. It is indicative that the rest of the coach is A-okay. I love Jayco. They do such a good job. So 16 off center, 2x2 wood framing on the construction. Plywood everywhere, 5/8 inch sun and groove plywood on the floor, 3/8 inch roof decking, marine grade, of course. Give you a good look at this one. Hanging wardrobe. This one does have a half wall, half curtain setup, so you can have a little bit of privacy when the kids are back there sleeping. It just with a unit that's under 30 feet, if you want a door and a whole wall right here, add another couple inches, and before you know it, we're over 30 feet long. And some campsites have restrictions on that. And for people that want to just go out there and start camping, let's make it as opportunistic as possible, right? Walking right in here, we've got the 3-person sofa. This is a jackknife sofa, so it comes right out. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. These things are usually pretty tough to do one-handed. Did it. Drops down. A little lounge action for you and the honey buns. I call this a full kitchen. No zip codes though. Just the one zip code in totality if you add everything together. Let's count some handles though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And then the storage right underneath here. So decent storage under there. Booth dinette. You guys know I'm fat and I'm cold. I'm not going to put that down right this second, but it does go down into a bed. Every booth dinette you see in every coach goes into a bed. If you see tables and chairs, unless you want to be really uncomfortable, those are not beds. For the boys. Cabinets open up. Glass inlays. Tinted, not frosted. Tinted, not frosted. I do like them though. Tons of space. So many Frito-Lays. Really cool feature. So that's your TV backer right here. I think it's a 12x12 square. I'm not 100% sure. Somebody will correct me, I'm positive. But I'm pretty sure it's 12x12 backer right there. You put a TV mount right there. V-mount is probably in one of these drawers over here, actually. Probably in that bag. But, like I was saying, you put your TV right up here. You do have your regular outlet, you do have your coax connection, and then something that I think is really neat is they put a 12-volt, what looks like a cigarette lighter in an old car. It's so that you can buy a 12-volt TV, plug it in, and if you guys are trapped during a rainstorm with no hookup, you could still watch a movie or something. So that's pretty cool. Coleman Mach on the AC, 30,000 BTU furnace in here. I don't want to talk with the boys. Medicine cabinet, toothbrush, toothpaste, Tylenol. Just a regular sink, nothing crazy. Towel rack. Thanks, Jayco. Not a whole ton of space. Towels, washcloths, hand soaps, and lotions you buy and hate to use. No tubby guy turbulence in the showers, I tell you what. Tall guys, yeah, turbulence for the tall guys. No tubby guy turbulence, though. Jayco does what's called the podium system in the bottom of their shower. So it's 2x4s and 5/8 inch plywood, just like they use in their coach. And I tell you what, it is the strongest shower floor in the industry. I walk through hundreds of these things a weekend, and Jayco does the best shower floor in the industry, in my opinion. Another big thing they do is their bunk system. Look at this double over double bunk system that they have back here. And under 30 feet, under 5,000 pounds. This double over double bunk system is massive. Huge storage underneath the bottom one. And I want you guys to look at this weight rating right here. Let me get a good angle on that. Almost everybody else in the industry is going to be 300 pounds, 250 pounds. This one, 600. How crazy is that? 600 pounds on the top bunk. 2 Where's Jared's could cuddle up there. I don't know why you guys would want that, but it could happen. Barely, but it could happen. Guys, that is it. That's the inside of the coach. Let's go outside. A couple things I wanted to show you out here. We do have the pass-through storage compartment on the 260BH. I'm a big fan of a pass-through, and I want to go all the way through. That is what a pass-through is. And here's a good look at the construction quality of this coach. The underside, right? 2x2 wood framing, actual plywood all the way. They love what they do, and they love giving it to you. Awning comes out 8 foot. You can look over here at this QR code. High-rated tires, steel wheel well, just in case something bad does happen. They want you to be protected, because it's not the tire popping that causes damage. It's the piece of rubber that sticks around, flying around like a saw blade. Piece of steel, keep that from breaking through to your floor. Jayco's all about these redundancies. These redundancies equal longevity in camping that's peaceful. You don't have to worry about everything that's going on. Huge storage compartment. It used to be an outside kitchen years ago, and they did the 264BH. They do leave the outlet in here for you. So if you want to put a mini fridge right here, it's 5/8 inch tongue and groove plywood. So use a 1/2 inch screw. Right, guys? Makes sense, right? Tankless on-demand hot water heater. Stinky Slinky goes in the bumper. Spare tire in the back. Backup camber prep. And it's ready for the Lippert on the go ladder. And we do have the Score and Spouse shower over here on the off door side. That's 2 knobs and a shower head. Wash yourself off, hubby. You're in trouble. You have the black tank flush. That's the sprinkler system you used to run through in the summer days of yonder. City water connection. That's your hose from the side of the house or the campsite. Power connection. This is a 30 amp unit. It's under 30 feet. It's got 1 AC, guys. You guys already knew it was 30 amp. Here's your first exhaust. Get that screen for your mud daubers and your wasps. Potable water hose or potable water tank. This is where your fresh water fill is. Put a hose in here. Fill it up with water. And then just the other side of that pass-through storage compartment. 4 scissor jacks keeps this thing stable. On the front here, we have a power tongue jack and 2 25-pound propane tanks. Appreciate you guys watching this video. It's one of my favorite coaches. I know it's not a super exciting one like some of the others, but it is tried and true, and I love her. Thanks for following, guys. See you out there. Jared out.